Okay, this is the board work that goes along with day three's taxation workshop. I'm going to teach you how to work with taxable income to compute the tax bill. So what we're considering is a taxable income of $62,000. Okay, $62,000. Now, the tax table that I have drawn up here is that for the single filer, the individual taxpayer. So if you want to find that, it's the first table listed in your workshop, so you can see it clear. But what I've written up here is the bracket from $0 to $9,275 has a marginal tax rate. More at this here, marginal tax rate of 10%. Now, the reason why it's called a marginal tax rate is because it only applies to these dollars. For every dollar the person earns above $9,275, those dollars are taxed at 15%. So the additional dollar gets a different tax rate. So that $9,276 all the way up to the $37,650 receive a 15% tax rate. If I earn one more dollar, $37,651, that first dollar earned above $37,650 is taxed at now 25%. So marginal tax rates increase as income increases, and this is what gives the U.S. tax system the property of being a progressive income tax system. So given this table, what does our tax bill end up being? So I'm going to give myself a little space here and erase the marginal tax rates. And let's see what we get. So our tax bill is going to equal the first $9,275 times the 10% marginal tax rate. Then we earn more than what's in the entire second tax bracket. So we're going to take the $37,650 all the way down, and we're going to subtract out the dollars we've already taxed. So we've already taxed $9,275. What a lot of students will do is do 9,276 here, but that would be incorrect because that would leave the sixth dollar untaxed. So we need to take out the dollars that have already been taxed. And these ones get the 15% marginal tax rate. And then we need to add in the remaining dollars. So we earn $62,000. That's in the middle of this bracket. And let's take out the dollars that have already been taxed, the $37,650. Those get a 25% tax rate. So all the way through, we're taxing only the dollars within the brackets that correspond to their marginal tax rates. So if you solve this out completely, you would see this is $927.50 plus $4,256.25 plus $6,087.50. So this gives us a total tax bill of $11,271.25. Right, that's how much out of our taxable income we would owe the government. So I'm going to keep that here and show something. A lot of people will read these tables incorrectly, as I've said before, and say, oh, I earned $62,000, so my $62,000 are taxed at a rate of 25%. And that's not right. And we'll show that by computing what's called the average tax rate, which is your tax bill divided by your taxable income. Okay, and so for us, that's going to be $11,271.25, our tax bill, over $62,000, which is our taxable income. And so it's about 18%. Let me get out my trusty calculator here. Equals 18.2%. So, although we make enough money to be in the 25% marginal tax bracket, our income is actually only taxed at a rate of 18,002%. In other words, or 18.2%. In other words, we only lose 18.2% of the $62,000 of taxable income. And even much less when you look at our gross income at the very beginning as well, because it would be much higher than $62,000. All right, that is how you do your tax bill, and you'll need that for your workshop here in Module 1, Day 3.